Okay, we are live. Let me double check that we are live, not like yesterday where we could not start. Let me check. Yes, we are live. Nice. Let me check in ads that we are live. 1 second. Check that too. Um, well, it looks like we are not. Let me check again. But anyways, let's just take to. I can't. I can never get this working. It's either I'm streaming either on ads, but not on YouTube, and then I'm streaming on YouTube, but not on on Twitter on ads. So it's frustrating. Let me check again. Sorry about that. I think I'm going to create my own thing. Um, second. Okay, I think it's happening. Sorry about this. Okay. All right. Okay, let me check again. Save outputs and select cross our finger to see. Okay, let me check again. And it's not working. It's not working. I don't know why. But it is what it is. So hello everyone, my name is Juan Sepulveda. I have 14 years of experience in software development, and today we're going to continue on developing our app that is almost ready to launch. So I still need a developer license from Apple is in process to getting approved. So that is holding us back, but today we're going to continue on a few things that I want to do for the app before it's ready for launch. Just to recap, um, here is our landing page already, and let me double check that this is working. Yes. So this is our landing page. Cherry screenshots with AI engines. It's very simple, and I think I made um, a a demo here, and we need a logo. Yes, so there are a couple of things that we need to do, but today I want to uh, add a contents menu, and so let's do it. I've already gone through the plant. What I'm doing right now is I tell What I do normally do is I start when I'm trying to add a new feature is I start with the caveman and the grill me skills. The caveman to keep the tokens low and the grill me to so we can nail down the specifics for it. Okay, so I already did that, and what we're going to do is to add a contents menu into the screenshot tab. For example, when I take a screenshot, for example here, I want to add the contents menu here so that it is visible. Yep. So let's implement it. So I already went through that. These are all the things that we need. So let me ask a question while my developer account is being approved from Apple. How can I distribute this for the private beta? I don't know. I'm going to also use the ask option so it is more clear. And what I noticed is if you have a good enough spec, implementing the changes is very easy to do. So it doesn't matter very much the model. So I'm using here in Cursor the auto model because it's cheaper. I think we are also going to try to use codets to see the flow with codets. I don't like Claude Code. Is for me, I think it is too expensive, and there is not much a difference honestly right now. Okay. Okay. So it says chip now, unsigned or def signed. Bypass the gatekeeper. I want to remove that from the landing page. Okay. Practical items. See the direct and the back. Skip the public for now. For this, we'll probably build release locally. See for team G sent privately. Okay, let's try this out. Oops. I wanted to have the full application because notarized and signed everything so that people won't see alerts trying to run the app. I think it should be enough for the beta, so it should be fine. Okay, let's see the build with the contents menu to see if it works. Let's see that. is creating the released version. Okay, so we have this. Let me, and there's still other things that I don't have. Capture window. The first thing is going to, okay, nice. Copy local path. See that. Yep. Let me see what else. Revealing Finder. Reveal in Finder is not working. Or I don't see it. No. Let me try. Okay, it looks like it worked, but I don't know why. Reveal in Finder. Okay, yeah, it seems to be working. Open image. Yep, we open the image in the preview. Copy image. Yep, it's there. And retry upload is working. And it worked. Perfect. Let me try that out with. I don't know why the settings show. Okay, so we're in the cloud. Let me see the local. And if I do this, I go here, revealing finder, copy local path. You can say, oh yeah, local path. Open image, copy image, perfect. Let me try it with the circuit. Nice. Let me try again. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Okay, so let me now try with the SFTP configuration. Okay, save. So let me capture the window. It's going to fail the first time because we have that. And we try the upload. I did not test with the cloud. Copy, upload. I mean, that is fine, but I would like to have. Okay. Mouse leave. Restart the 2-second delay. The 2-second delay. Okay, let me try. Let me change the settings again. Dark cloud. Let me just see. Yeah. The copy URL. What is called? Copy uploads, you know. Should be the first in the contacts menu. And let me see. this. All right. No. Yes, this should be fine. Okay, so the archive succeeded there, and now drag off. Okay. Um, right, let me see. Okay, got it created. Thing. It's failing. I want to create the DMG. Version for staging. Okay, 4 apps, archive. This. So we have the app, we have the staging. We define, we go for app is this into staging. If staging is there, and we go this, we then create a simple link and output MacShot beta, blah blah blah. Nice. Let me see, what is this? Okay. I don't don't know what it's doing. Okay. Drag this attention buttons MacShot. So there is a new volume. Okay. Ah, okay. Nice. All right. Okay. Reserve the spacing and goes down. Close this. Okay, so if I do this, then so there is an applications. Oops, what was that? Okay, there is another. Let me move this to here. Let me do replace. All right. So if I go to applications, I should see MacShot up here, and boom chakalaka, it's exploded. I think I know why. Uh, I think I know why, and it's because the API key is not there. So let me move this a moment here. Okay, so this. And yes, to this here. I need to add the API key so that is visible. Okay, I've done that. Let me close this as well. Can go back to this here. So let me build the again. Try to run the app that is building. Okay, let me see the MacShot. Let me cut this screenshot. Cut this menu. Working. And now, okay, copy load URL. Is there. Okay. Looks good to me. I'm not even going to look very carefully at the. There is something I do in here. Let me commit this only only the changes in these jets. Because I made some changes in the onboarding steps that I want to change. Looks good. So we need to improve this. Nice. Okay. I think it's looking very good. I want to remove the border there, but it should be nice. I need to remove this as well. Don't like that. And I need to fix this, how it looks. And also an icon. Wow. This is taking more time than I expected. Huh. Looks like I don't have much space left. I need to remove a couple of things. Go to the trash. Okay. I can't believe I have so little space left. And I don't know why the screen stopped sharing as well. Maybe it's because of that. I think it might be because there is an update available to install and it's taking too much space. Yeah, I think that's what is up. so we finish with that. And what I want to do is I want to oh, that is a very expensive model. First step. Okay, shared onboarding step header component, yes, one layout for yes, one layout per step icon, yes. Icon container everywhere. Welcome to. Let me check. Design here. Welcome. What is that icon? Screen monitor. Oh wow. Try to like this icon. Um, yes, as well. Welcome. Same shell header plus divider running. Yes, but get started button of footer. Yes. Welcome. Welcome step should be different. Okay, I think with if this, let me see how I can get that icon. Okay, well, the app is built in. Okay, let me ask here. How can I get this? Then, how can I get the screenshot monitor icon? audience. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. In any case, let me check the screenshots. Restore the welcome view to like the design if this view can be different from the other steps. Let me just composer to be more. One moment, I got a call from the bank, so I have to answer this. Okay, and we are back. And okay, it made the changes, but I sounds like then like why is why is doing this like this? But it's okay. Hmm. Let me change that. Stable can view file. Open style, that is fine, but I don't need this. And also this. And this, we don't need any of that. Oh, okay. This should be the background. I don't know where that is coming from. Everything up surface. So then that's, let me remove the skip setup. Remove that. This. I don't know why I cannot see this. Okay then. Why there are two colors in the welcome view. I guess they should be only one. Like the others onboarding steps. Okay, so check this. Let's try to make it so it's saying that this is the SVG here, which is correct. And okay, so adds to the target. So let me save this. I don't know if I can actually use this. make it there, resources. And make there, create this there. B was the argument that I was looking for. Okay, so we have that. Let me then resources. Let me drop that in here. Nice. Okay, created, then registered in the projects. So I think I need to change the name. Oh no, it's there. So it says created, drop in the SVG, set render as template image. Where is it? Okay. I've added the SVG to okay. Let's see if we have that working. Okay, we have the image here. That is pretty good. And I think we're going to end that for now. Okay, get started. Okay, so in the whites, it looks pretty good. Sure, good. I need to fix this and make sure that there is, for example, if tab is open like this, and here it's correctly shown. Okay, well, hey, that's well, thank you so